Hi, this is Lisa B. A little while ago, I went to see Gary Vee, and he was talking about virtual reality, and that's something that some of the agents have been early adopters and kind of adapted the virtual reality. It's quite interesting to hear what Gary Vee said. He's right in the forefront of businesses and talks about business every day and talks to different people and companies and whatever and studies what's happening. And in the room with 4,500 people, he said, "Who here spends any amount of time on VR?" And no one. So he said it's like 10 years away. It's 10 years away before it's actually a thing. So, it was just really interesting to hear his take on virtual reality. I wouldn't have thought it'd be that far away, but yeah, just interesting. So it's something that sort of have a look at, but not in the near future, according to Gary. So I thought that was interesting.